Riley, just the way you are. I love you, woman, I love you. Yeah, have your own style. I got to love you, you know I love you. Hey. She wants to be like them people on TV. She wants to look like them girls in the magazine. She got the cheese. She herself, she asks, do you love me? I say you're just right. Absolutely, I love you. Just the way you are.
Yes, what's up? What's up? To have you. It's your girl Lena over here, and we are ready to get it rolling. How are we doing? How are we doing? Come through, fill me in. How is everything going over that side? Let's go, guys. Okay. Just the way you are, girl. You don't have to do a thing now. Hi, my amazing traders. What's up? What's up? What's up? Definitely. Let us dive into it and we see what we can get out of it, right? All right, so today, Pocket Option Broker, that is the platform that I'm trading on binary options. Okay, that's what I'm trading. And as you can see, I'm having Brent oil OTC chart. Okay, so today, come through, let us analyze, let us watch the market together, and we see how it's all going to play out. We get it started, that is with a sell position for us over there. Just the way you are, girl. Beautiful. Look at that. So we are having some amazing momentum down, bearish momentum over there. How are you guys? Collins, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through, and definitely thank you for keeping time, guys. Penny Paul, my beautiful Penny Paul, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Let's see how today is going to be. MC Legends, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. My day is amazing. It's actually amazing, guys. Just know one thing. Whenever it's time for our session, I don't know. There is that excitement that I always. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Brent oil OTC, please. behave, behave. Okay, that is Capra over there. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing? How are you doing? How is your day? How is everything over that side? Most importantly, how is your trading going? Guys, fill me in. How is trading? How is trading? Let me know how everything is. That is Ada. Hi Ada, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Actually, I remember last time we had a conversation where you wanted me to take you through binary options trading. So the fact that you have come in early, please, I'm going to do you the honors. I'm going to take you through such that at least you get that introduction. I believe you already have it, but I'll take you through. and then we see, or you see how I do my things on my end. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Come on, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building, Papito. I see you over there. I see you, CJ, all the way from the Philippines. Look at that. Look at that. These days, my people of the Philippines had disappeared, but good to have you. Good to have you. Come on, all the way from Zambia. My people of Zambia, what's up? What's up? What's up? You are well represented by Come on over here. Let's go. Okay. Why not? Why not? Okay, yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. Full of beautiful energy, beautiful vibes over here. How about you that side? Good to have you all. Good to have you. Good to have you. We get into it, guys. Joshua, good to have you, good to have you. Guys, allow me share this beautiful smile. Allow me share this love with you guys. Let me know where you are tuning in from, where you are watching from, all right? I have people from the Philippines, I have people from Zambia, I have people all the way. Ooh, that is not good. But we continue. The day is still fresh, okay? And remember one thing, the market is always rich, all right? So we need to get steady and then we dive into it. Okay, so Joshua all the way from Nigeria. Hi, my beautiful people of Nigeria. What's up? What's up? What's up? So far, well represented. Joshua is representing my people from Nigeria. Good to have you. Good to have you guys. Let me know where you are watching in from, where you are chatting with me from, such that I share some love because I come bearing a lot of love. Let's go, let's go. Okay, so the fact that yesterday I wasn't present, that simply means that the donations will be quite many. So let me start off with my strategy, or let me do an introduction of exactly what I do here, such that the people that do not know what is going on at least understand what Lena is here for. Number one, I'm here for learning purposes 100%, educational sessions 100%. So everything that you see is educational. Everything that you see, we are here to learn. I'm here to share knowledge with you guys. I'm here to interact with you. I'm here to share trading tips with you. I'm here to share my experience. Most of all, most of the things that I talk about here, I've gone through them. I've experienced them. So the challenges, the good things that I've gotten from trading, everything, it is through the experience that I've had. My journey was a rough one, but I finally made it. All right. So one thing we should know is that I'm trading on Pocket Option Broker. That is a platform that I'm using, number one, and I'm trading binary options. When we talk about binary options, I'm basically talking about something that is short term. I'm talking about scalping, I'm talking about sniper entries, everything that is um, uh, small time frames. That is what I'm talking about. Something that where we do not have to spend a full day, a full week, a full month, or even a full year in the market. All right, we are here for short-term entries. Period. In binary options trading, we look so much at a win and a loss. Actually, to start with, you look at just one second. To start with, okay, so to start with, one thing you have to know is that Binary options. You're either winning or you're losing. You close in a win or you close in a loss. And we deal so much with expiration time. Once you decide that my trades are going to expire in 15 seconds, just like I'm doing right now, that will be it. So you will either close in a plus or in a loss, just like I've done right now. My anticipation has kicked me in the foot. Okay, so one, we look at the expiration time. We are in for a win or a loss. Okay, we do not have a take profit and a stop loss in um, in um, in binary options. We do not have. So you meet your fate when your expiration time ends. That's it. Then we have 50 win, 50 loss. That is the initial when someone has no knowledge about binary options. So you will look at 50 loss, 50 wins. But when you sit down and acquire knowledge about binary options trading, we have something we call probability trading. With the probability trading, definitely you are going to look at increasing your profits and decreasing your losses. So, with the knowledge that you keep acquiring, you end up putting yourself at 70% profits, 30% losses, or even 80% profits, 20% losses. I cannot say 100% losses, all right, or or okay, I cannot say 100% profits because losses will always be there. That is the one thing that you will always know. And as a trader, at least you know very well that losses are inevitable, and the market, we do not demand or we do not command it on what we want or what we expect from it. The market does what it wants to do. It's us to have the knowledge, it's us to understand what we have to do in the market such that we can be able to get what we have to get from the market. All right. So let me hope up to there we are on the same page. In my trading, I'm using pure price action as my strategy. As a trader, or as a smart trader, or as a profitable trader, the fact that binary options is very, very risky, that I cannot say otherwise. You and me should know that it is risky. That helps you to know exactly what to do when you get into it. So it is very, very risky. So you as a trader, there are certain things that you have to have or to hold on to survive. Okay. So one, you need to be patient. That is number one. Number two, you need to be consistent. That is with the strategy that you are using, your setup. You have to know about risk management. You have to have a trading plan, not just coming and trading blindly. You need to have a trading plan. You need to have a strategy that you are using. You need to master the strategy that you have to use, not running from one strategy to the other. At least have that particular strategy for some good time. Use it for some good time, 3 months, see how it goes. Of course, if everything is not right, let it go. Choose another one that you feel will do for you what it has to do for you. All right. So, with a strategy, being patient, emotional control, risk management, being disciplined, having a trading plan, have the knowledge, all right, have the skill. Trading is not is not just a game. It needs you to have a skill for you to be successful and for you to be profitable. So, in all those that I've said, let us see about my strategy. I use price action as my strategy. There are very many strategies that people use, that is for sure. And for everyone, for as long as it's giving you profits, I am with you 100%. All right, I'm with you 100%. Okay, so with price action, I have a few conditions that I selected out that I feel or that I know have worked for me or that have given me profits. Okay, so I keep going like that. One of the conditions I have to understand the market direction. What direction am I in? Am I in an uptrend? Am I in a bullish direction? A bullish direction is the same as the uptrend. Then the bearish direction is the same as the downtrend. Then we have the consolidation. With a consolidation state, that is where the market is ranging. That's where both the buyers and the sellers are in the market, and definitely they are pulling up and down to see who takes over the market. So after understanding who is in control of the market. When we are in an uptrend, the buyers are in control of the market. When we are in a downtrend, the sellers are in control of the market. But that does not mean that if we are in an uptrend, it does not mean that the sellers are completely out of the market. They are there, but on a smaller percentage. The same applies to the downtrend, all right? But for a consolidation, both of them are in the market. You see that ropes are being pulled. Everyone is wanting to stay in the market. Everyone is fighting so much such that they are the ones in control of the market. Okay, so that is for the market direction, very easy to understand. Then we have the market structure. With the market structure, we are definitely going to look at two things, that is the major highs and the major lows. When you talk about the major highs and the major lows, we are looking at certain points that are important in that particular direction for them to give us a continuation in the market or to end up giving us a reversal in the market. So when we talk about the higher highs and the higher lows for an uptrend, we are basically going to look at those major higher lows that push the major higher highs to break structure. Once we By breaking structure, we are meaning that that previous level that was high in the market at that particular point is broken and we have gone above. So once we go above, we are going to anticipate, just like right now. I am in a pullback over here. So once we have gone above, okay, we anticipate a pullback. With a pullback, that is where we are having a drop in the price. So of course there you expect or you anticipate some sellers into the market. That's why I told you sellers are not completely driven out when we see that the buyers are in control of the market. Okay. I'm just taking it a little slower such that at least we are on the same page, all right? So after that pullback, we are definitely going to have a continuation in that particular direction that we were in, just like how you are seeing it right now. The pullback ended, and now we are having a continuation in the market, which is and a bullish continuation. All right. For as long as that pullback has not driven us down, that pullback has not driven us down, or after the close of that pullback, we have not broken below the previous major higher low. If we break below that major higher low, that simply gives us the impression that we are going to have a reversal, or we are expecting that now the opposite of the uptrend are taking over the market. Hence, the sellers are in the market now. They are taking over, or they are um, obtaining control of the market. All right. So that is for an uptrend with market structure. When, as you can see, we are still continuing with our uptrend. All right. Okay. So when we come to the downtrend, with a downtrend, we have the major lower high and the major lower low. All right. So when we are in the downtrend, we look at that major low. I mean that major high that pushes the major low to break structure. Once that structure is broken, we shall anticipate pullbacks. Okay, we anticipate pullbacks. By the pullbacks, that is when we have a drop in the price, or a slight drop in the price, and then after that we have a continuation. Okay, so after that continuation, or after that pullback, the close of a pullback, we definitely have a continuation, unless after the pullback we break above that major high. When we break above it, that simply means that we are going to into a reversal, or we have a reversal. We are no longer in a downtrend, but now we are moving into another direction. Okay, so that is with market structure, and then market direction. Then the we have the candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns, very, very important. Very, very important. My lovely people in the comment section, I'm going to reply to each and every one of us, all right? Let me first finish with our strategy, then we keep chatting. You know how we do it, all right? Okay, so we have the candlestick patterns. You and me know very well that the candlestick patterns are quite many, but you can have a few that you feel are going to be profitable to you, or that you feel are very which word can I use, are good to trade with, all right, such that you keep those, because very, very many patterns are going to be formed in the market, and every pattern that is formed tells a different story. We as traders, at least we know that, all right? Every candlestick pattern gives us a different story, so it's us to interpret it the way we have to, that is going to be profitable to us. All right. So when we talk about the engulfing candles, we talk about the Marabuzo candles, we talk about the hammer candles, we talk about the shooting star, the doji candles. There are quite a number of them, but you need to know, am I when I am having a rejection, when I'm in a rejection, what am I supposed to do? When I'm having strong bullish candles from candle formations, what am I supposed to do? Strong bearish candles, what am I supposed to do? Like, you have to keep understanding all those. How is the momentum, right? Because at the end of the day, we have to know that it is the candlestick patterns for me, Lena, that refine my entries. So with my strategy, it is the direction, structure, candlestick patterns. I also have, with that's my strategy, is that. Those are the confluences that I selected out. And that is backed up by my alligator indicator. The indicator is also very important. That's why you're seeing it over there. The indicator helps me with one, identifying the market direction. What direction am I in? Number two, how strong is that particular direction? Momentum. Then it gives me signals. When that green line crosses the red and the blue line to the upside, I get a signal that, hey, probably maybe in the shortest time possible, I could be crossing over to an uptrend, or I could be still in a continuation. Like, it gives me those signals, though it doesn't give me the confirmations that I need. So I get those signals, add or put them together with my confluences, then strike into the market. All right. So that is it with my strategy. Let me hope at least one or two are able to pick something from it. All right. Okay. For any questions, please. Shoten Yoga Lena is over here and we are here to roll together. All right. Okay. Shortly, we shall be getting into our donations. Okay, that is a Trapper. Trapper, good to have you, good to have you. I definitely welcome you. Thank you, Sanjay. Vanakam. What's up, Sanjay? How are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Raphael, good to have you, good to have you. George is in the building. Hi, George. What's up? Vanakam. Okay. I'm seeing people are trying to connect over here. Alex, good to have you. Anna Mbata, what's up? Good to have you. That is Backdoor. Good to have you, Cole. What's up? All the way from Uzbekistan. I think I cannot forget that now. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Okay, Alex, bonjour. What's up? Good to have you. Maman, I see you over there. I see you over there. Thank you for coming through, Joshua. Okay, Joshua, tell us the few that's much important. Told you, I look at 3. So just know your market well, market structure, then also the candlestick patterns. Teacher Lee, what's up? Good to have you, Hope you are doing okay, hope you are doing amazing. Okay, Classic Duke, what's up, Classic Duke? Good to have you. Okay, Sanjay, once again, Khalifa. Khalifa is doing great. That's amazing. Episode 1. No, my dear, I'm not a robot. Yes, Ada. Yes, Ada. And then also I said, catch you on Telegram. Okay, my dear, I will be waiting for your messages. Let's chat there.
In the cool of my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you go love forever. I'm a cocky no baby letter. I'm a Angelina.
Okay, I see I'm trading with Alex today.
So when I want to come up, I see
Manga Vote. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, Stefan is in the building. Hi, Stefan. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. On to the next. And to the next. I see you over there. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Guys, you're almost welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you. Guys, with the donations, I do not sit here and I ask you for the donations. I want you to understand clearly when it comes to the donations. As I come here for the different sessions, I trade for myself. I have personal trades, okay? Then I offered to, to those people who would want, because it is a voluntarily done offer, okay? So I requested people, in case you would want me to trade for you, that's where you send in your donation for me to trade for you. It's not like I come to you, oh my goodness, send me. If you don't send, no dear. It's for those people who want me to multiply their accounts or their money on their accounts, all right? So that's how it's done. You do it willingly, not someone forcing you. And if, of course, if anyone is forcing you, it does not make sense at any one point, and do not send it in. The people that you see over here, they do it willingly, and that is the simplest way for me to give back to my people. All right, if I trade for you and you go away with profits, it makes me happy. It really makes me happy, of course, as we are learning, because the most important thing is for you to be able to trade for yourself, to trade on your own, okay, and be profitable. So, as we learn here, there are a few people who would want me to at least multiply their accounts such that they are able to also do something for themselves. All right. So that is it with the donations. And if you feel it does not sit right with you, please feel free not to do it. Okay? No one can ever force you to do it. No one. Trust me. All time fave, Vanakam, Vanakam, Vanakam. Guys, into the donations. Let's see. Ask for them. Okay, Ivan, good to have you. Good to have you. What's up? What's up? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not, guys? Whenever it's 3 p.m. Canadian time, understanding or learning, understanding, get some tips from my sessions, understand how share with you a few experiences with you. Then let us catch the vibe as well. We learn as we vibe. So, Ivan, yes, my dear, the vibe is always there. By the way that she moves. Okay, so that is Nathaniel. 550 US dollars, 5 items. She's in there. Okay. Okay, that is okay. CTV trading. So we're gonna trade together because of the YouTube time lag. Okay, so that's why I encourage you so much. Come through, get some trading tips. We share experience, ask questions here and there where you can. Beautiful, and definitely in your free time, use the different tips that we shared to carry out some trading on your own. All right, let's go. So, what are we doing in the market right about now? By the way that she moves. You don't have to give it time. Understand exactly what your chart is communicating, what the candles are communicating before you rush and plus in a trade. I had to say, girl, you look so good. Okay, okay, okay. Then I see her smiling. She understands. We can move together. Yeah. Okay, look at that. Guys, we are taking it for 5 items so far, 2 down. That simply means 3 more to go. Baby, dance with me. Jivo, what is the minimum donation? The minimum donation is 350 US dollars. Okay. All time fav, Vanakam, Vanakam. Good to have you around. I'm doing okay. Karthik, what's up? What's up? God's time. I started with $5 capital. I'm trying to flip it to 100 US dollars. All right, all the very best. All the very best. Though, of course, that takes you time, but with time, we definitely get there. So I'm with you, I'm on your side. We keep going little by little. In binary options, definitely you keep gathering the little that you have, okay? And then eventually things turn in your favor. Though, of course, losses will definitely be there. Guys, we are doing great. We are doing great. Don't wanna wake up. Okay. That is for Nathaniel. Don't wanna wake up. Lucky. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. In the building, we have Stepan. What's up? What's up? Okay. Mama, 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 yeah. Guys, on my end, when I do my trading with vibe in it, I definitely always have amazing results. So we all know how we keep ourselves happy in the market. Music keeps me happy in the market. It keeps me going. It keeps me positive. It helps me with my emotions, all right? Emotional control. Remember, that is one of the things that we talked about earlier. Your emotions have to be in check as you come to deal with the market, because the market does not understand how you feel, or it does not even want to know whether you're okay, whether you have someone sick, whether this time round you need to be lucky and make something out of the market. The market does not know this. So keep yourself together, put yourself together such that you can go around with the market, go and fish out some profits, okay? When you're happy, I'm happy, we are both happy, and then we let the market be. Mama, 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 yeah. We can. Okay, just two atoms, that is lumen shift. We can. Okay, excuse me. In the building, guys, we have Pranob. Hi, Pranob. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Juice What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, so how to trade with me is for you to come through. We learn together every single day. But if we say that we sit down and I trade as you trade, because of the YouTube time lag, we might not be able to trade together, unfortunately, actually. So always come through, catch some tips, understand a few things here and there. Of course, come through with a notebook. Let us learn together. Ask us very many questions as you can. And then, after that, in your free time or as you trade, practice them. And we see how you will close it. Okay? Beautiful mistake. Okay, Pranab is doing amazing. That's all I love to hear. And then I want to hear that today I carried out some trading, I made some profits, I had 10 tradings or 10 entries, and I closed let's say 7 in a profit. Oh, okay, I made 6 in a profit. That, you know, yes, even if for the start you carried out like 5, 3 were profits, 2 were losses. Yeah, guys, we need to keep going. We need to keep moving together. Remember, hey, the buyers have driven me out. Oh dear. Not good, not good, not good. That is for lumen shift. On our second attempt, we have closed in the lows. So sorry about that. Let's go to Colton. 350 US dollars, 3,000 as our take profit. making beautiful mistakes in my head. Okay, Sanjay, I made some profits in 1 minute chats. That's amazing. That's amazing. Guys, with the time frames, okay, that please put according to what suits you or what gives you the comfort or what gives you time in trading. All right, over here I will say I use 15 seconds, but if you are comfortable like how Sanjay is with 1 minute, please do that. Do not rush things. Take your time, all right? So, Sanjay, so proud of you, so proud of you. Keep it going, keep it going. Let us keep making some money. Okay, let's go for Colton. She motivate, she happy now, she motivate. Okay, that is a plus for our first attempt. Let's go. We keep it going. Okay, Raphael is shooting to me a very interesting question. Why is that sometimes you are worse, sometimes you are better? You are better, worse, but you practice every day. That's a very, very beautiful question that every trader would pick interest in. So, one thing, actually, Raphael, thank you for that question. Thank you so much. One thing you should know is that we have um, certain conditions in the market. One, we have market fluctuations, we have those high volatilities, we have conditions in the market that at times will come when you actually did not anticipate that it's going to come that way, right? You have a good setup, or I would say I have my good setup, okay? I know I'm using my strategy that I've been using for a very, very long time. But then I place in my entry after having that clear anticipation that over here I've anticipated I'm going to have a continuation. But with the market fluctuation, it just flips on me and everything goes south. All right. So that's why I was saying that you and me do not know what the market is going to give us. We just have to do our very best. Okay, we do our very best, and then we wait for our fate, or we wait to close and see what we are closing in. So that's what happens. That's what happens most of the time. So right, the market does what it wants. We also anticipate what we believe could give us the profits, though at times we end up in losses or we become successful. Okay, so that's it. Every day practicing, and definitely the losses that I keep making in the market do not mean that maybe I have a change in my strategy, in my setup, all that. But these losses, you find that at times the market is doing completely very different things compared to what you had actually stood out for. Okay, but thank you for asking that. Mila. away from home.
Say the first time me looking at your eyes, me they tell you what a guy like me.
Guy like me.
Have good times on the evening, me and you chilling on the bed.
On the way.
The kiss and caress and trust me, girl. It feels so sweet.
It's so sweet.
One day you move, now I'm feeling kind of blue, cause me here say you leave. You leave.
I'm drowning in the ocean. Come and take me away. Why'd you have to go away from home? Yeah. Okay, guys, for those that are new here, I'm trading using pocket broker, pocket option broker. Okay, that is a platform, and I'm trading binary options. Today I'm all in for Brent oil OTC market charts. I'm drowning in the ocean. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Definitely each and every single day. We keep learning from each other. All right. So what you're saying is very, very true. Very, very true. I agree with you 100%. That's very true. We need to respect it. We do not have to fight. We do not have to fight it. Secret of Forex. Why you ask for donation? I do not ask for donations. Right? Caught me right? I did not ask for donations. I put something out there, and I told people, those that want to multiply their income or their money, and they feel it's right with them, and they agree to the terms and conditions, please send in. It's something that you do voluntarily, and on my end it is my way of giving back to my fellow traders. All right, so please, I do not ask for the donations. It's something that I put out there, okay, for us to at least get something for ourselves. That's it. So congratulations to Colton. Okay, look who we have in the building. Video Truck, Video Truck. Hi, Video Truck. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Where have you been? It's been a minute over there. Hope you've been okay. Hope you have been amazing. Happier now. Okay, Video Truck, I see you over there. It's amazing that you are doing okay. You are doing great. Sometimes when I think about you, you freaking me out. Sometimes when I think about you. Okay. Beautiful. So we have one more attempt to go. Hi, James. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Sometimes all I think about you. Okay, we go into our last attempt. All I think about you. You always been freaking me out. Happier now. Late nights in the middle of June. Happier now. Okay, let's keep going, guys. Look at who is in the building. None other than Godwin. Hi, Godwin. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Happy to be here. Happy to receive you. We are so happy that you have joined us. Okay. 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 Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, all right, all right. Congratulations. That is for Allah. Okay, Alastair. Okay. Let me withdraw. So don't keep saying our hearts inside. It's not in the cards, and fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me.
But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide it's on my destiny? What if we restart? Say you made it to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to I don't be you. Maybe the world is tonight.
Okay, I'm seeing that is Secreto Forex asking for a show withdraw history. I would think that that is something that is okay. So we proceed. What you only get to see is when I'm withdrawing to people's wallets. That's all you get to see. Sombra. We are going in for 5 items. It's not up to me. Rewrite the story. So, in private, Sanjay and Godwin, you guys are planning a trip that I do not know about. Okay. But anyways, that's good. That's amazing. At least people get to catch up. People get to know themselves further, right? So I have no problem with it. Enjoying is paramount. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. It's not a secret I try to hide, but I can't have you. Bound to break in my hands are tied.
Season. Right for every season, we get to the need no reason. Yes, custom. Yes, Mr. Lover. Oh, me. Show you that. Girl, you must be sent from above. You keep me warmer than a winter glove. Your smile colorful like flowers in the spring. So me love when you talk to us for your feeling. I never meant to fall for your love. Now you're all I'm thinking of.
Okay.
This is more than a summer fling. It's only right that I put on the
Ring, ring, ring.
So did you let my side?
I will be okay.
I kissed that.
Just me right there every season. Okay, let us get into it with self position over here. Right there every season. Beautiful. We have just four more to go.
You bring me up just like the sun on the horizon. And even when it rains, I'm enlightened. Oh, you're so sexy and your waist a swing. I'm in love to watch you when you do your thing, thing, thing. Girl, you let the last skip a beat. And anytime you're not near me, no swing. Feel like you leave me up off the lip.
At some point, I believe I was supposed to be a musician. I know I do not have a good voice, but you never know. Probably, maybe I would have a few hits here and there. Tell me right there every season. There is a reason we can't stand. Right there every season. Okay, let us get into our second attempt over here.
Don't take it anymore. Adios, me amor. Russian. Just a joke. If you feel like you have me wrapped up around your little finger, you're wrong. And everybody feel as if I you lick me chip and I'm programmed to you. Think I you alone can love. But anytime you back, one, go.
Don't come back,
I won't cry.
I'll be fine.
Don't come back. Oh, don't come back. No matter make you do a ritual when the good life split you. Don't come back. This is happening. Life is real. This love is not toxic and the poison. Don't need to play the games anymore.
Okay.
Nothing to me. Just sing now.
All the way from Kazakhstan. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Your name is so amazing, and I do not know if is that Humba. I don't know how to read it, but you're most welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. Okay, let us proceed. That is a by position for us. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Don't come back. Okay, so let us proceed. When I'm closing, I will. Okay. Two more to go, two more to go. Why not? Okay, that is Stefan. I believe this is music from your side, video track. I hope you're happy now. Okay. Sanjay, hello, hello, hello. Somebody loves you. Mm. Just watching the market so carefully. Let's see, let's see. Okay. We have a drop over here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations, guys, when you are in the market. Please take your time. I know at times they do not turn out the way we anticipate them to. Of course, we always anticipate our profits, right? Always. So at times they do not turn out the way we have anticipated them, but please just keep going, all right? Just make sure that you take your time as a trader. What you catch out or what you fish out, be content with it, okay? So congratulations, that is for Sombra. Such an amazing name. Okay. Okay, so when I'm withdrawing, that is what happens over there. Ethereum wallet. Then I send. Sanjay. Hello, hello, hello. Next we have Bruno. 2,600 US dollars. We are looking at 2 items. Guys, with a minimum, it's 350 US dollars. All right. But for the maximum, whatever, however you can go, that's okay. All right.
Musically, might make a little modest man with music, you know what I mean?
Okay, that is our first attempt. Gems, what's up, what's up? Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Yes, it is a 15 seconds chat, not 5 seconds. For the 5 seconds, that is the candle, for the candles, so right? For the candles, it's 5 seconds. Then for the expiration, it's 15 seconds, just like that chat. Okay, 15, 15, then 5 seconds for the candle. Okay, Danso, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you. Oh my goodness, you've come in a little late. Actually, in the first hour, I took us through the whole process. All right, I took us through everything with a strategy and all that. So sorry, you've come in a bit late, but every single day or every time and again, we keep going through. We keep going through our strategy. Okay. Okay. So hope we are good. Hope we are good with that. For the number, we can just chat on Telegram. All right, check in my description. Check in my description over there. Secreto Forex. What am I from showing you? I don't know if you're saying that are not paying attention. I don't know. Secreto, I want us to be on the same page. That is exactly what I was from showing you. So please. Yes, my dear, that is egg of wisdom. We have a challenge of YouTube time lag. So that's why you are seeing that you are a few candles ahead of me or a few seconds ahead of me. That is a challenge, but it is a YouTube challenge where we are having that time lag. All right. Okay, let's go for our last attempt. We see. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Congratulations. That is for Bruno. Brunolda. All right. Interesting name with beautiful profits. Congratulations. Would you be my lover? Would you be my lover? If you want be my lover, let me know. Would you be my lover? I never love with you. No use me catching cool. Muhammad, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Are you gonna let me be your one? Would you be my lover? Would you be my lover? Don't say no. Say you'll be my lover. Please be my lover. Nobody else can be my love. Hey, say you'll be my lover, baby. Nah, nah, nah. Say you'll be my lover. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Would you be my lover? Else you can be my lover. Nobody else can be my lover. Nobody else can be. She can make my heart go. She can make my heart go. She can make my heart go. Okay, so next is duck. 3,400 two atoms. Dazzle, that is pocket option. Okay. That is our first attempt, and we are in a plus. Around the wind blows, fire gun. Excuse me. Black is fire gun. Just waiting for the best moment to strike in. Let's see. Ooh. Beautiful. Congratulations. That is for Duck. Let's go. Today is a beautiful day. So far, so good, anyways. So far, so good. Yeah, I'm telling you, that is for Duck. Initially, actually, Duck he has had a few losses here and there, but today, my brother, you have given it. Okay, congratulations. Lucky's fire again. Okay, thank you, Godwin. Now we need somebody to lean on.
Know that tears rolling down your face, and it feels like yours was the only heart to break. When you come back home, all the lights are out, and you're getting used to no one else being around.
Oh, I'll be there. I'm gonna give you. I'll be loving you. I'll be there, yeah, I'll be there for you. Okay, take the wallet. Congratulations. Next service. That is $700. We are looking at a net profit of 7K. Let's get it rolling.
You're alone with yourself, there's no one else to blame. When you still can't feel the pain that of your heart.
15. And our risk over there. Then we get it rolling. I'm gonna come through. You'll never be alone. I'll be there for you. I'll be there, yeah, I'll be there for you. Beautiful. Remember, we are taking it to 7,000. I'll be there for you. I'll be there. I'll be there for you.
I'll be there for you. Never be alone. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you.
Beautiful. We are at 2K so far. We are still going step at a time. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing Kitenge over there. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. And I see Blessing. Hi, Blessing. What's up? What's up? How have you been? I've missed you too. I've missed you too. Let me hope you've been okay. Let me hope you have been amazing. We are still here, all right? Getting into the market, we fish out what we can and then let the market be before it swallows us up. Of course, by swallowing us up, we mean blowing different accounts, all right? So we are still here. Good that you've come through. Good to see you. We are so happy to have you around. Hi Joshua, good to have you, good to have you. How are you doing? Good to have you, good to have you. How is your day? How is your day going? Thank you. Ooh, that's lovely. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Coxie, good to have you. Good to have you. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Definitely, we need one more outcome and then we celebrate. Let's go. Okay. You watch closely. Watch closely. Okay. We are showing up.
Anybody will fight you. Minute come never really know. I'll be right beside you.
Okay, guys, look at that. Look at that. Congratulations, guys. Today, so far, so good. So far, so good. Congratulations. Still excited. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Running to you.
When I'm looking for trouble, it's cause I know that I got you. One more best everybody, oh, and it's me. I'm not out of control.
Thank you, Godwin. Thank you, Joshua. We keep it going, guys. Remember, we are rolling together.
And I'll be right there with you. I may be small, but I'm mighty. Run for you. For the ways I think, yeah, don't be you, pull it up, be around. And if I ever need to,
I'll be running to you. I'm running. I'm running to you. Running.
I'll be running. Anywhere that you go to.
Running to you. I'll be running to you. Running to you.
You got the anything you want. Sun up to sundown, love me don't go round down. Anytime you come to me, baby, I go answer. Any other baby, you make them run out. And if you want me coming to you, I go come. Oh, you wanna see me, baby, don't chase me. Tell me what you want, baby, say I'm not in my mind. Are you ready?
Really, gems. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So that will be the next list over there. Let us get into it and we see.
I cannot lay low, yo. Me, I cannot do that. You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep. Cause they fill the open air and leave teardrops everywhere. You'd think me rude, but I would just stand and stare. Now I plan to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that
That is Cyrus, 2,500 two items.
cause I get 1,000 hugs from 10,000 lightning bugs as they tried to teach me how to dance. A foxtrot above my head, a sock hop beneath my bed. A disco ball is just hanging by a thread. 'Cause I feel like such a insomniac. Why do I tire of counting sheep when I'm far too tired to fall asleep?
We are definitely into a continuation. Let's have it. That is a very okay. Congratulations, congratulations to Cyrus. Okay. Kensington 350. We are looking at a profit of 100. Anders, what's up, Anders? What's up? What's up? Good to have you join in. How is your day? How is your day so far? Ain't nothing but a party. Okay, we keep it going. Remember, we are looking at a take profit of 1,500. I never wanted you to say I want it that way.
Now I can see that
Moving on.
from the way that it used to be. Yeah. No matter the distance, I want you to know that deep down inside
Me. Okay, beautiful. That is for white. Ain't nothing but a heartache, but a mistake. Wanna hear you say I want it that way. Let's go one last time. Okay, so guys, what I can say is that today we really done so well with the donations. We've done so donations.
Put me arms right around you. Can you give me the tightest hold ever get in my life? Show me one feel please, you put things all out. Leave me the tightest hold me ever get in my life. Behind them jail, me no care. It's anything inside me no hear. You know the scare, so me no fear. And as a woman, I will be there. We want a girl we can't wipe on me. We want a girl we can't take care of me. You can feel it, and you can feel it. Oh, me have to really squeeze it. Y'all me want feel all you. Put me arms right around you. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life. Y'all me just want to squeeze you. Put me things
Yes,
all
and
around you.
I have. Definitely, I have. You know, whenever I come for the session, I always first have a full hour, close to, close to a full hour to myself for my personal tradings as we definitely go through, we learn one thing or two. So definitely I've made some profits for myself, and it makes me feel so happy that even my people who trusted me and sent in their money to trade for them have also definitely gone away smiling. It really keeps me happy.
behind them try I do not care. But everything inside of me, you know the scare, so me no fear. And as a woman, I will be there. Me want a girl like take care of me. Me want a girl like girl like from me. You can feel it, and you can feel it. Show me that you can turn. Girl, me want feel all you. Put me arms right around you. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get
Okay.
in my life. Girl, me just want to squeeze you.
Nolly, what's up? What's up? Thank you, Dennis. Thank you. I think for today we shall have Sophia as our last participant. Actually, our time is up. We've really had an amazing session, so let's have Sophia and we call it. Okay, please answer my question, please. Mm. Hi Godfrey, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Your girl Lena over here is doing amazing. Okay, please answer my question. I do not know which question to answer to. Oh, here we go. Summertime in a boom boom. Okay, we are taking it for just 2 atoms. One more to go. Let's close it with a plus, guys. Anyways, thank you guys for today's session. It has been an amazing one. It has really been an amazing one. Thank you so much for coming through. Thank you so much for rolling with me. Thank you so much for trading with me. Thank you so much for sticking around. Okay, so we close for Sophia and then we shall call it a day. Each and every single day, I'm always here waiting on you. Okay. Ooh. Hey. The sellers are kicking me out. Let's see. Oh dear. Oh dear. So sorry about that, Sophia. Today has not closed up well for you, but next time better. So thank you guys so much. Thank you very much. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
She wants a gangster in a bed tonight. She wants me, I know. And man, a full ground me a day tonight. She a calling my phone. She say when it's so unruly, tell me the main reason.
Bye bye. Catch you